What's up guys? So today I got another unboxing video. This just came in from B&H, and what's inside here is what we're actually going to be using for our live stream at church. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, first off we got two SONY professional headphones. This is what we're going to be using to monitor the sound from our live stream rig and also for our sound mixer. So we got two of these. It's the SONY 7506 professional headphones. Next we got four SDI to HDMI adapters, converters, micro converters from Blackmagic. We got four of these because what we're going to be doing is we're going to be connecting this all four. Sorry, we got two of these. Never mind, we got three of these. So we got three. And we're going to be connecting them to the DeckLink Duo right here. And so for this one, we're going to be plugging in different outputs. You can do input and output, but for our main use for this is for outputting different videos to like monitors and TV screens and also projectors. All right, so we got this, and then so we are using a Mac Mini, which is not a desktop, but in order to connect this to the Mac Mini, we will be installing it inside this external case from SONNET. So it's a PCI Express external case powered by Thunderbolt. And we got three HDMI cables. This is 25 feet each, and also three 50-foot SDI cables. So what we're gonna do is from the DeckLink we plug in the SDI cable right here on the DeckLink, and then plug it here into the converter and then output it through HDMI. And then I got two Thunderbolt cables, which is a USB-C cable, but also serves as a Thunderbolt cable. So there's a lot, you can transfer large amounts of data through this cable. So it's not just a USB cable. Alright, so we are going to be installing all of these and putting it into this case. And that's going to be in another video. Alright, thanks for watching.